Double amputee Olympian Oscar Pistorius began a 2-day bail hearing saying that he shot his girlfriend thinking she was an intruder locked in his bathroom. But prosecutors paint a very different picture of the killing of Reeva Steenkamp. Pistorius wept as his attorney gave his version of events. Pistorius' lawyer says the athlete felt vulnerable due to not having his prosthetic legs on. Pistorius' lawyer says the athlete felt vulnerable due to not having his prosthetic legs on when he thought he heard an intruder in his South African home. Prosecutors claim the killing was premeditated, that the two argued and she ran to the bathroom to get away. They say Pistorius put on his legs, walked more than 20 feet, and then opened fire, shooting through the bathroom door. 3 bullets hit Steenkamp. Pistorius said he was filled with fear after realizing Steenkamp wasn't in bed. He says he bashed down the door and tried to carry her downstairs for medical help. Just a few hours after the court hearing, Steenkamp's coffin was carried into a church for a private funeral.
There's a space missing inside all the people that she knew. That can't be filled again. We're going to keep all the positive things that we remember and know about my sister.
We are here today as a family, but there's only one thing missing, it's Reeva. We've got together, but we've missed one.
If Pistorius is convicted of premeditated murder, he would spend life in jail. Matt Friedman, Associated Press.